name's Melissa. Here's another day of welcoming in stillness, silence, and rest by practicing a restorative pose. The pose we're going to be setting up for today is called Mountain Brook pose. You will need a bolster or 2 pillows or a stack of blankets. Whatever you have in the house is great. And then in addition, you'll need about 2 or 3 blankets. So the bolster pillows are going to go at the end. It's going to support underneath your knees. And then that first blanket, you're going to set it up. I'll show you how we fold it. So here it is. We're going to fold it once, called the standard fold. We're going to fold it again, and then we're going to place it in the middle of our mat. We're going to want it to be, the base of that blanket is touching the lower part of our shoulder blades. Now, 1 blanket may be enough. It's going to open you up through the chest, but please play with that. And then with that second blanket, if you choose to use it, we're just going to put one over top. And then the third blanket, I just have a regular blanket from my couch here, and you may want to play with this. This is going to support you at the base of your skull, and then also if you feel there's that bigger bone that stops kind of at the bottom of your neck, we're going to be wanting support. We're going to be wanting to, support that area. So we're just going to take this and roll it up, and then this long part is going to face away from the body. So I'll keep talking. You can kind of set yourself up, finding that comfortable spot, and knowing that we'll be holding this for 5 minutes, and you will hear this chime when it's time to conclude our practice. So let's get ourselves ready, settle into your body, settle in to this practice today. And as you settle and allow your body to be supported by your props, might feel good to release a sigh out of the mouth, inviting in some softness into the skin around the eyes, inviting some softness into your jaw and your facial muscles, tuning into the inhalations and exhalations. And as you exhale, letting your body melt and drape over those supports. Closing your eyes or having a nice gentle gaze up towards the ceiling. And then as we settle in, finding that stillness. Slowly begin to increase your inhales and your exhales. If your body needs or wants to stay a little bit longer, please feel free to hold this pose for as long as you like. However, if you'd like to conclude your practice for today, begin to invite in some little movements. Maybe allowing your head to rock from side to side, nice and slow. Bringing in some movement into your ankles and your toes, into your fingers. Allowing your breath to expand a little bit more. Waking up your body. And then gently pulling one foot towards your bolster or pillow and then the other. And then coming on to either side. Take a breath here. And then when you're ready, pushing into the floor, coming up into a seat. And then resting your hand on your chest. Thank yourself for showing up today. Inviting a little bit of rest into your everyday.